Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, ang pag-aaralan naman natin ay illustrating rational algebraic expressions. So, sa particular na video na to, i-identify muna natin ano nga ba ang rational algebraic expression, paano natin masasabi ng isang expression ay rational algebraic expression. Okay, so rational expressions, a rational expression is defined as any expression that can be written as p of x over q of x, wherein q of x must not be equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin lang from the word itself, meron tayong ratio. Ibig sabihin, we will be dealing with fraction. So, rational expression is also a type of fraction wherein it is in a form of p of x over q of x. Wherein yung p of x natin ay polynomial, yung q of x natin is also polynomial, tapos yung q of x natin dapat hindi siya equal kay 0. Why? Kasi kung equal kay 0 si q of x, it will become undefined or indeterminate. Pag undefined siya, ibig sabihin, hindi pwede na sa fraction natin na ang denominator natin ay equal to 0. That means, that's the reason why q of x must not be equal to 0. So, para mas maintindihan ninyo, let's have an example. So, una, ito yan. So, pakita natin. If we have x over 0, hindi siya pwede. Why? Because our answer will become undefined. So, hindi pwedeng magkaroon tayo ng 0 as denominator. It is the same with 2 over 0. So, hindi rin siya pwede because our answer will become undefined. So, hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng 0 sa denominator. Again, kiniklear ko, nililinaw ko na hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng 0 sa denominator. Okay. So, magkaroon tayo ng mga example ng mga polynomials, ay ng mga expressions. Let's identify kung algebraic expression ba siya or hindi. Let's say, for example, we have x plus 5 over x minus 5. Is it an algebraic expression? Sabi natin, the denominator must not be equal to 0 and the numerator and denominator must be a polynomial. Okay, so parehas naman silang polynomial. And aside from that, yung denominator natin is not equal to 0. Ayan, kasi because the denominator is x minus 5. So that means this is an example of a rational algebraic expression. So let's have another example. So let's say we have 5 over x minus x. Is it an example of a rational algebraic expression? Let us first identify. Yung 5 over x minus x can still be simplified because we know that yung x na to, parehas sila ng x na to, so pwede natin silang i-subtract. They are like terms. So we have 5 over x minus x is 0. Okay. Since we have 5 over 0, can we consider this as an example of a rational algebraic expression? Sabi natin kanina, dapat walang 0 sa denominator. So that means this is not an example of a rational algebraic expression. Okay. Next, let us have another example. What if we have x raised to negative 3 plus 4 over x plus 5? Is this an example of a rational algebraic expression? Okay. So, observe niyo, is it an example? So, alam natin, nakita nyo naman na denominator is not equal to 0. So, it satisfies that condition. How about yung numerator? Very good. So, the numerator is not an example of a polynomial. Sabi natin kanina dapat yung numerator and denominator are both polynomial. And bakit siya hindi naging polynomial? Because meron siyang negative exponent sa variable. Okay, so sabi natin, kapag may negative exponent sa variable, is not an example of a polynomial expression. Okay, so that means this is not an algebraic expression, rational algebraic expression. How about we have 2 over x minus 4. Is this an example of a rational algebraic expression? Yes, very good. This is an example of a rational algebraic expression. So, I hope malino na sa inyo kung paano tayo nag-illustrate or ina-identify yung rational algebraic expression. And sana natuto kayo sa video na to. Meron pa itong mga kasunod kasi tatapusin natin hanggang operations on rational algebraic expressions. Good day and thanks for watching.